Welcome. In front of me I've got Jaecoo 7. In this video I'll show you how to refuel it. Jaecoo 7 comes in two versions, one PHEV and one simple petrol. In case of petrol, take a look at the fuel cap. You just have to press it right here to open the cap. On the bottom you can find what kind of fuel you should use. This car uses 95 pp E5 or E10 fuel. To refuel it, open this cover. You can place it here, or simply you can let it rest. Now, select correct fuel. Here we've got the E10, and here's E10. Insert, and now refuel. Afterwards, install the cap until you hear click, close it, and it's done. In case of PHEV, you can charge the battery or you can recharge it while driving thanks to the regenerative braking. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.